Hi, let's see how we can save some money on investigating, and this time by closing unused AWS accounts. Let's dive in. First, decommissioning unused AWS accounts is a crucial practice for optimizing cost and also maintaining security and efficiency within your AWS organization. So why? First, unused account may still incur charges for services like AWS Config or AWS Grad Duty, which continues to monitor and record configurations even if the account is not actually used. Then, unused accounts can become targets for unauthorized access or attacks. By decommissioning them, you can reduce the potential attack surface. And finally, fewer accounts mean simpler management, so it becomes easier to monitor and manage the remaining active accounts. So to detect them, you can go directly into the AWS billing service, into the bills section, and go to the root account. Then you can click on charges by accounts, just here. And you can find the low spend accounts here. So the ones that are under $100, let's say, or also the sandboxes accounts with a name, which will be here in description. And then you can look also at the service that are being charged. So if you have only charges in, let's say, Graduate or Config or Security Hub here, also Service Catalog or System Manager, maybe you are not using that account at all. To find them all, you can also query the query with Athena. This time you will filter the query with all accounts having amortized costs under $100 per month. So this is for the last 13 days here, and all that cost will be under $100 here. To fix it, you simply have to close the unused account, but it also might be hard because you need to find the correct responsible and need the permission first. So ensure the account is not needed anymore. Then you have also to back up any resource you want to keep and nuke the rest. And finally, simply go to AWS Organization Console. You can find the account and click on Close. Then any member account that you close will display a suspended label next to its account name in the AWS Organizations console. And after 90 days, which is the post-closure period, the member account will be permanently deleted. And if you want to reopen your account before it is permanently closed, you must contact AWS support as soon as possible.